Hello and welcome to the fourth pillar. Today we are going to talk about a river in Meghalaya. It is the largest river in East Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya. Yes, we are going to talk about River Luka. The river has now turned deep blue. I repeat, the river has now turned deep blue. But according to the local people, it is nothing new for them. The color of River Luka turns blue every winter, especially the month of December, January, February, it turns deep blue. People have been seeing this since 2007. But this year it is slightly different. The water of River Luka has turned deep blue. I repeat, the river water has turned deep blue. People of the area are now scared. They have stopped drinking the water from the river. Children are not allowed to go out and swim. They know the water is highly toxic now. Today local tribals informed us from Narpu area, rather Narpu locality, that hundreds of dead fishes were seen floating on the river. The Khasi Students Union has taken up the issue. The Students Union has submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner of East Jaintia Hills last Monday. They have demanded a scientific investigations to find the root cause of the changing color of River Luka. The Khasi Students Union wants the problem to be resolved within 3 weeks. Otherwise, they are going to take action, they have said. But whatever has happened, it has definitely not happened for good. What are the probable reasons for the changing color of Luka? Did everyone try to understand? River Luka has a tributary. It's called the Wa Luna. Wa Luna and small streams draining from the Narpu Reserve Forest flows into River Luka. And it has been reported that Wa Luna is highly polluted. Wa Luna is one of the main factors for polluting River Luka. Luka otherwise was a beautiful river and the largest river of East Jaintia Hills. Wa Luna flows into River Luka slightly south of a place, south of Khadum village in East Jaintia Hills. And the river apparently turned blue south of Khadum village. So that speaks about Wa Luna's role in polluting Luka river. Again, why is Wa Luna so polluted? Studies have revealed that limestone mining activities around the area has adversely affected the water quality of Wa Luna. Since 2005, there has been major limestone mining activities near Umdaw and Lumshnong areas in East Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya. The area has the highest density of cement factories in Northeast. Meghalaya again is very rich in limestone and coal. There are about 15,100 million tons of limestone reserve in Meghalaya. And exploitation of limestone has been taking place on such a large scale that very few people can imagine. And it all started from 2005. And the pollution in the river system started from 2007. Everyone in the area are now blaming the cement companies for the toxicity in the river system. A study conducted by 2 scientists of the Environmental Science Department of the Northeastern Hill University also reported about limestone mining and manufacturing of cement in the catchment area of the river. And they have attributed it to be the main reason for pollution in River Luka. The water of River Luna was found to be highly acidic. It has also high turbidity levels, high level of calcium and sulfate in the water, and is primarily due to limestone slush, the study has revealed. A study by the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board in 2008 also found Wa Luna responsible for polluting River Luka. A study by the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board in 2008 also found Wa Luna responsible for polluting River Luka. The contaminants are so deadly that it not only kills the fishes but also all other aquatic flora and fauna in the river system. That is what the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board had reported. Unfortunately, the river, though the river system is getting polluted, the cement plants refuse to agree that they have any role or responsibility in polluting the river system of Lukha or Wa Luna in East Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya. Meanwhile, the toxic blue river Lukha is believed to be the main cause for extinction of a critically endangered fish species in Bangladesh's Sylhet district. The fish species known as Gwalpara loach, which was once found in abundance in river Lubachara. Lubachara is basically downstream of Lukha. It's known as Lubachara in Bangladesh. Has reportedly extinct because of the toxic water of the river system. Since thousands of tribal people in East Jaintia Hills district are directly or indirectly connected with Lukha and its tributaries river system, it is high time that Meghalaya government should find an immediate solution to the whole issue. Otherwise, in future, it may turn into a major public health concern for the people across the state.